Hi, in the first of our 5 steps, we will be showing you how you can take your model from ICM into Fluidit with our Fluidit converter, and as well how you can use the built-in Python API console to easily interact with your models. So, to start with, here's the original model in its ICM database that we will be converting over to Fluidit. And here it is after just a few minutes. It can be rebuilt in Fluidit with minimal differences and minimal tweaking needed. And a few minutes later, in about the amount of time it would take a cup of coffee, you've gone from having your model in ICM to having your results out in Fluidit. Now next, Fluidit's built-in Python API console also allows you to easily interact with any of the elements in your model. So, for example, let's take a look at Outfall here. It's named Outfall Creek, so we easily retrieve the object as such, and then interact with any of its parameters. So you can read out, say, the x value, but that can be any parameter, or you can reset it. So you see we've moved it over to the right-hand side, 50 meters. Let's just put that back. And this can be done with any of the parameters down the right-hand side. Just look up and see what the value of the parameter is you want to alter. And in the same manner, this can be done with any of the results fields. So you can read out any results or set any parameters, and from this you can build pretty much any tool you can think of with just some basic Python skills.